not more than 5 or 10 minutes maximum to start with. It should be such that once you've got a proper understanding of what is meditation, why meditate, what to meditate upon, and how to prepare ourselves for meditation, what are the obstacles, how to remove it, all this must be understood. First and foremost is just sit quietly, keep your body steady. If you want, go through the relaxation of your body by tightening and loosening, tightening and loosening. And main thing is, at that moment, just watch the steadiness of your body. There's a link between the mind and the body, just as there's a link between the mind and the breath also. And of course, there's a link between the mind and the intellect also. And therefore, the mind can be quietened through all these means.